Share screen. Good morning, guys. Hold up. Share screen. There we go. And welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Is it sharing? Oh yeah, it's recording. I think it is. I hope so. Today, it's Monday, the 21st of August. Damn, this month is going so fast. It's insane. But welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Did my forecast. Hope you checked it out. If not, I don't care. Yeah, a bit late. It's almost 8 a.m. I needed some extra time to do my routine this morning because I was just feeling so slow. So instead of diving straight into the chart on the charts on 7 a.m., took some time, listened to some mindset stuff, just get the energy up, right? And yeah. But now we can dive into it. And I'm ready. I'm ready. I think this is not taken, although it seems to be. We go lower. Don't know. What does this one say? So not equals as well. Still a different trades. Oh, I gotta remove those trades from this chart. Anyway, interesting. So we got equals there. Took these lows at the open. Now we took the highs. Then we get the break. Then we have the early sellers on the 1 hour. Okay. Oh, one by one. Okay, first of all, this is a previous daily high. Just to reaffirm on the right side that we took a previous daily high. I don't know why I do it, always do it like that. Double can either remove this one or this one, but who cares? It's my charts are already clean. So then we got a why is this one? Asia high. And then we have Asia low. Let's move to the daily. All right, so we took previous daily highs, although according to this one, my previous daily high should be up here, which I find quite interesting. No, that's right. It should be up here. So we didn't take previous daily highs yet. Hold up, let me clean it up. All right. So the previous daily high is still above. Actually, that's the completely wrong breakdown. So in my forecast, I said that we have these equals to the downside. We have the slowdown, which can be a potential inducement, and I don't know why I think that. Well, I know why I think that we got a slowdown. Look at how slow these candles are, but we got those equals there, and this slowdown doesn't mean an impulse to the downside. It's just a slowdown. Impulse to the upside, just a slowdown to the downside. So therefore, I think this will be an inducement. Then we take the equals. Then we have this range from low up to high. This is our internal range liquidity on the high time frame. So as I said, I think we take these lows and then we continue further up. That's in my forecast. Check it out. For today, then we can go lower now. You can see those 4-hour candles. First one was this one. We opened slightly lower, taking the internal range, or well, internal range is not really the right word. Taking the liquidity build up to the downside, and then went to the upside. Taking the liquidity to the highs. And now we took Asia high, and we got the equals being formed right there. Interesting thing is that we have this bearish break here, which could be classed as early sellers. And that will give us an missed entry here. We got a low, high, bearish break, bullish structure. And then on the 5-minute, this would have been a break, but it's not a missed trade because it's before time, right? And now we wait for a new opportunity. We still have those equals there, so I'm not really worried about missing this trade. But we got the short. It's still not 8 p.m. or 8 a.m., so I'm not allowed to trade. 30 or 20. Yeah, let's say you stretch it. So this is where you tap in. Could still enter if I wanted to, but it's Sunday more of Sunday. It's Monday morning, so and now it's way. Wait, still 2 minutes left. You get the break there. First target would be not Asia lows because of the risk to reward, so you slightly extend it. I would say 1 to 4 is your first target. Go break even after another bearish break or Asia lows. And that will be your trade. Thing is, it's not even Frankfurt Open. Frankfurt Open isn't in 1 minute, so this might be an inducement. In addition to that, we have equals here. So I'm not looking to short yet because I missed this one and because of those equals. But I'm still looking to follow this structure we got going on over here. I think this is a very strong valid structure. Although if you take these lows, we already had the inducement over here on the higher time frame where we broke bullish and then continued bearish. So that's like a high time frame inducement. I think we will get another. We might get sorry. I think we might get another low time frame inducement here where we break bullish, then take the equal lows on the weekly and daily time frame, and then we get that structure realignment, low time frame with high time frame. Why is higher pricing another reason for higher prices to be valid? In addition to that dark blue structure is that we have this light blue structure. We are below old lows. We got liquidity building up to the upside, and we got a premium area we want to reach where we want to look for shorts. So can add to that. Then we have DXY. DXY took the highs. Interesting because this is exactly how I planned it. Sorry, we took the highs. And low, high. We've now this new structure. And if we get low pricing on DXY, we get higher pricing on EU. So that would be that inducement. And then that continuation further down. That would be that inducement. And then a continuation further up. And why do we want to go higher on DXY? Well, I don't know actually. There's no reason. I think we're ready to turn around. I think if we break above here, we will go for these areas. So bit on the 50-50 side with this. But yeah, I think if we break above here, we broke above there. You can see that slowdown in momentum. Structures getting filled, discounts getting reached. So it's a interesting area right now. Yes, we broke above here. Who tells me we're gonna continue up now that we reach into that daily supply zone above the liquidity? So it's a bit on the what's it called? It's too clean if you ask me. It's just low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, high, high. Really building up. Longs from here will be very valid, but there's more than enough room to the downside. We got higher time from lining up with us. If we break bearish, of course. But I still see EU come lower, which would make total sense. I don't think this will be liquidity for the future. I think this will be now. I might be wrong though, because this is looking good as well. Let's for now focus on. Oh, let's see what there we go. Oh, there's actually staying in the same place. That's interesting. So there's no momentum now to the downside. Low, high, low, high, yeah. Oh, there it is. There we have the momentum to the downside. So I could have still entered there. Missed it. But looking at it, I don't know. Thing is, if DXY goes higher, then yeah, it is still looking valid to come high to go higher. We already reached into that discount of the leg. Leg is from this low up to that high. So it is valid to look for a long there. This is looking really clean though. 1, 2, 3. So let's see. I prefer to wait. It's Monday morning, no rush. So I'm not gonna enter on a trade that already tapped in before my initial entry. Just no need. Although now that we broke below, you can already reduce our stop loss because we have a high and we have this low, and we just slightly priced into it, or we just missed it. Just tapped on it. So you could say, yeah, let's reduce it. And your stop loss will be here. If this one plays out, I'm gonna make a case study on it. I'm not feeling it yet though, but it's not about what I'm feeling, it's what I'm seeing. And if it's playing out like the way I want to see it, then it is what it is. This is looking good as well though. Bullish break, discount reached, inducement, taking it low, that nice candle, and then we could get that push out. Yeah. But initially, so this area was the area I was looking short from. And for now, it's looking really good. Although I'm not in the trade. In addition to that, we can see that, well, we did. Now the feed is updated. That's unfortunate. The feed is updated, and we can see that we took the highs. So this is actually sweep. That would have been a nice sick trade. Got that sweep, got that realignment, we got the early sellers. Thing is, now we should go break even. Why? We have a low, high, higher low, high, high, bearish break, bullish break. So we work with this lag. And we already reached into premium pricing or discount pricing. We already took internal range liquidity. So we should go break even around this area right now. It's quite early in the trade, but because of the rules. Yeah. And it might wake you out then, but you gotta follow those rules as well. Or I gotta follow my rules as well. PXY, as I said, ideally take the internal range liquidity here, then continue up, but we might go up, go down. Maybe you can get something like this. Take out these highs, come into this area, then come further down, take out the lows, and then give us the move to the upside. But yeah, let's stick with this. That played out. Then GU. GU a bit choppy or choppier. We already tapped into that premium. Get a bearish break. We're looking for this as well on the DXY or on GU. You can see that we still have Asia highs above. And we got Asia lows. Oh, my eyes below. So that's looking quite good. But if we then zoom in, it becomes a bit of a mess. Although took these lows, you get that realignment there. Low, high, bearish break, bullish break, bearish break. So that's relying as well, but there's no entry on here yet. So you wait for Asia highs to be taken and then get the short. Yeah, my evening was to play. We have tapped into the 50-minute POI. And that's where the move comes from for now. And in addition to that, we can see that we took this correctional ranging PA over there. So we took that ranging PA. Now we get the bearish break, bullish there, and then the continuation down. So GU, I don't know where to trade from right now. I'm still feeling duff. It's so it's in the way. It's not even annoying. It's just in the way because I feel productive, or I want to be productive, and still feel tired. Yeah. Anyway, this is my pre-market analysis. Gave you the areas I'm looking at. If we come above that high, I was try to look for shorts from there. Doesn't look like it. I got it going to work in 1 hour, or then we picked up. We have some meetings today, so yeah, that's it really. We're already in the perfect area, so it's not like a different area to look for. Of course, above Asia, above previous daily highs, but it's only once we get there. For GU, pretty much same story. Only once we get there. No, we don't need to. And GU is not looking that good right now. So anyway, cutting it short here. Peace out, and I catch you guys in the market. Sayonara.